this is a story that we got you of how there could be a track to diplomacy at play by the BJP in the valley. Now, according to sources, that centre and the Jammu and Kashmir government is planning to organize back-channel talk with all political parties, religious leaders and even the separatists. Meanwhile, the BJP has organized a brainstorming session at Patnitop in Jammu. As many as 80 intellectuals inclined towards the BJP and Sangh Parivar are attending the conclave of the India Foundation, which is a pro-BJP think tank. Participants at the conclave had suggested that nationalist forces should not be demoralized while taking any decision on initiating dialogue with the separatists. Union Minister Smriti Irani also joined the inaugural session of the conclave at Patnitop. However, BJP's National General Secretary Ram Madhav has said that the conclave in Patnitop is a routine annual meeting and has nothing to do with Kashmir issue. Meanwhile, the Congress, though, has questioned Modi government's Kashmir policy with its ally, the PDP. So the BJP downplaying the meet. Right now, we're also getting reactions. Take a listen.
The BJP-PDP government in Jammu and Kashmir has been an abysmal failure in trying to deal with the situation. The central government has been a completely mute spectator, and it is belatedly that they ostensibly seem to be waking up to the sensitive situation on the ground. But it is ironic that if at all government of India does want to talk to certain elements in Jammu and Kashmir, elements that they have derided over a period of time, they should do it openly and in a transparent manner. Exactly, rather than having these cloak and dagger, subterfuged, clandestine talks. The important thing would be that if at all the government of India has arrived at a determination that there's a need to engage with other stakeholders in Jammu and Kashmir, the better thing to do would be to do it openly.
So this is according to what sources are suggesting right now, that there could be an attempt for a track to diplomacy, which could also put the BJP in a question mark. Because here's what the BJP is trying to do. Centre and Jammu and Kashmir government are planning to initiate talks with all stakeholders, and also government to hold back channel talks with separatists and religious leaders. Governments aim to restore peace and calm in the valley and hard action against terrorists in the valley. But the fact that they might want to engage with separatists may backfire if if the opposition raises the concern that on one hand you have the centre also opposing engagement of separatists with Pak envoy, and then on the other hand you have the centre trying to go ahead and meet these separatists. So that's why there has been a categorical denial by Ram Madhav, saying that Kashmir issue is not on the agenda. But Manjeet is joining us to give us the inside details from this conclave. Manjeet, what are you hearing?
Well, Devina, the two-day brainstorming session was organized by BJP General Secretary Ram Madhav. Ram Madhav has clarified that the Kashmir issue and Pakistan was not discussed during the two-day session, but sources privy to the information told us that the Kashmir issue, Kashmir problem was discussed for nearly 45 minutes. Suggestions also came forward to deal with the situation in Kashmir, and also suggestions came that this government should initiate talks with the separatists and also with the Kashmir civil society. And besides this, Devina, suggestions were also made to discuss the role of Pakistan in the separatist and cross-border terrorism. And besides this, the problems being faced by the Indian Army in handling the situation in Kashmir were also discussed. And besides the army, the problems like the Dalit issues and the controversies in educational institutions were also discussed in detail. But Devina, no resolution was passed to this effect. The delegates are still stuck in Patnitop. It is due to the heavy landslide which took place at a place called Kheri. So nearly 4,000 to 5,000 people are stuck between these two sides, including the delegates. Devina.
All right, Manjeet, thanks for giving us those details also of how the situation could be right now critical, because there's been a landslide and many delegates are now stuck at Patnitop. The rescue operations would be underway to remove the debris so that the normal traffic can be restored in the area.